The UK government put a 17.5% tax on fat foods, which include dairy products, fast foods, and sweets. By doing so, they attempt to make people go away from bad foods and switch to healthy foods such as vegetables. Parth will be talking about this over the diagrams.
Okay, so we're gonna start by talking about a simple graph of market in which we discuss the equilibrium point, our P and our Q values. Here we are talking about the consumer surplus and the producer surplus. Now we're switching over to our new slope, which shows about our ad valorem tax, and we see the new equilibrium point at P1 and Q1. The government decided to put 17.5% of tax on the value for this product. And then our new consumer and producer surpluses have shown that the quantity is decreased and the price has increased. We also see that the incidences of taxes for both the producer and the consumer are pretty much the same. And if we combine both of these consumer and producer incidences, that is the total amount of money the government has taken out of this entire market.
Evaluation. So there are three stakeholders for this article, which are suppliers of fat products, such as farm and fast food chains. And the second stakeholder would be consumer of fat products, who are low-income families who rely heavily on cheap fat products. And the third stakeholder would be the government. So first, according to the incidence of tax, we can see that producers are taxed heavily, therefore they lose the incentive to produce more goods. And for second, consumers would react to increase in price, so they will switch to close substitutes like pasta and bagel, which are considered healthy products. But also, the fast food is not a crucial product, so they will switch immediately. And for government receives extra tax money from raising the price of fast food. They can use this money to subsidize healthy foods such as fruits and lower the price of those goods. Therefore, they can encourage healthy food consumption among the citizens of United Kingdom, but also lower the obesity rates. From these 3 points, we can conclude that the fat tax has good effect on United Kingdom, but it will also force low-income families to switch to healthy products, which they might not like. So it could possibly cause some protests and uproar in United Kingdom.